Good morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Happy Friday. Hope everybody has a good weekend. Overnight prices are mixed. We've got beans up about 7 cents, corn prices down 3, and wheat about unchanged. The big news overnight is a change in the weather maps. It looks like a high pressure ridge that was supposed to develop in the eastern Midwest over the next 4 days is going to slow development. That allows some rains that we're seeing right now in the western Midwest to move into the eastern Midwest over the next 4 days. So we could see a drink of water for areas of Illinois and Indiana that needs that rain. That could pressure prices. This is a big weekend for the financial markets. If anything can come out of Europe positive, we could turn around the trend in commodity prices. Obviously, if they don't come to an agreement on some kind of bailout plan, we could see more liquidation of commodity longs and lower commodity prices. This morning, a private company will put out their estimates of the 2012 U.S. planted crop acres. March intentions was put out by the USDA, and there's some that feel that farmers may have switched some of their land from corn to soybeans and an intent to plant more bean acres following the wheat harvest. The USDA's official numbers will come out on June 29th. So let's see what the markets do today. Very important weekend for the financial markets. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services or ADM, and have a safe and profitable trading day.